Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Highway 2000, the east-west leg. This road was recently, or a couple of years ago, renamed the PJ Patterson Highway, and this was the first highway of this kind to be built in Jamaica. As you can see, it's a dual carriageway, 4 lanes. It has a concrete barricade, and there are other roads that were called highways before, but this was the first modern looking highway to be built with this design in Jamaica. Quite a few have been built since, but this was the first one. So this road takes you from Kingston to Maypen currently, but the Maypen to Mandeville leg is under construction, and this road is to run all the way from Kingston to Montego Bay. So can you imagine a day when you can drive from Kingston to Montego Bay on a road like this? What used to be like a 3.5-hour drive was cut down to 2.5 hours if you're going on the north coast. And when this road is finished, it should cut it down. Haven't heard the exact time, but if it takes you 45 minutes to get to Mandeville, probably you could get to Montego Bay in a little over an hour. So when driving on this road, you're going to have exits for Spanish Town, Old Harbour, Maypen, Mandeville. There's also going to be one at Clarendon Park, and then Mandeville. There you can see the sign: Old Harbour, Maypen, Mandeville. All the main towns will be will have exits from this road, and those that are to be built, the section of the road to be built, will also have exits to all the main towns. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.